So viewers, hi! We are the group of BSIT Good. We are now
So
how to demonstrate playing badminton. We are here is Jenny Batulan, Jimur Fernandez, Nenya Rita, and Michelle Nabao. They help you how to play badminton and demonstrate their badminton. First is how to handle the racket. First, this is the racket. Find the center like this. High five the string. High five the string down to the handle like this. And next, bend your knee like this. Then it's easy to move in any direction like this. Second is how to serve badminton. We demonstrate by Brinley.
Hello. And surfing, bend your knees, and then step backward your right foot. Level your racket to your breast. Like this.
And here are the 4 strokes of badminton, the technique. We are demonstrating this. First is
Low.
the clear. Here is the called a love. This is a shuttle score size post the court behind the opponent. Forehand and the overhand. That's the overhand and the forehand is this. Second is drop. Shuttle post gently the clears the net. A fight relatively the forehand and the backhand. Third is drop. Drop is hard to stroke hit in the line. Swing the horizontal from part from the court. Last but not the least, the smash. It's hard to stroke hit sharply downward, bringing from your behind of your body below the bend. Yeah, that was the smash. Thank you to all viewers. Hope you learned the demonstration of the Physical Student. Be